Hi, Nick Raj. I want to talk to you today about commission drag on your account because it is overlooked by the very vast majority of new traders, and it can also mean the difference between success and failure regardless of the strategy that you're using. So what is commission drag? It basically means the percentage of commission that you will pay of your account balance each year to your broker. So let me give you an example. Let's say your broker charges you $30 per trade, and let's say each year you do a total of 100 transactions, so that's 50 buys, 50 sells, and that's $3,000 worth of commission. Now if you start with a $10,000 account, you've got to make 30% to break even. If you're new to trading, and even if you're very experienced at trading, that's almost impossible. You're setting yourself up for failure right there. If you've got a $100,000 account, on the other hand, then you've only got to make 3% per annum to break even. Very, very big difference. The rule of thumb is if your commission drag is less than 5%, you've got a much better chance of success. The lower it is, the better it is. If you can get it below 1%, that's even better. So there's two elements. First of all, obviously the commission that you pay your broker. Some brokers are expensive, up around that $30 per trade. Other brokers are relatively cheap. In Australia, there's brokers down there around $11 per trade. Some is even cheap as $6 trade. They more or less offer the exact same product. So why pay $30 per trade when you can pay $11? So it's your responsibility, if your commission drag is too high, to either change brokers. The other thing you can do is actually increase your capital. Now that might not be appropriate at this stage. You might only have $10,000 now. Then if that's the case, now may not be the time to start trading. Give it some time, save a little bit more money. $20,000 is significantly better than $10,000. I know everyone's in a bit of a hurry to get going, but you've got to put everything in your favour right from the get-go, and that's one thing you can do to ensure that you're successful. Trading is hard enough as it is. You've got to put everything in your favour as best you can before you get started. So commission drag, the lower the better. Less than 5% is what you want. Even lower is the ideal situation. If it's too high, change brokers or get some more capital. My name's Nick Raj.